Hey guys, it's Lucas. Sorry I've not made a video in a while. I've been pretty busy in school since 2020 hit. So yeah, and as you can see, I fixed my Quorum Classic. You probably can tell because you don't see the differences of the heights of the blades. So yeah, I put new brackets on. The old brackets are badly bent. That's why this fan was wobbling so much. So yeah, it's finally fixed. So yeah, I finally got a chance to record a video. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, this is my first video in 2020 and the new decade. So yeah, now we'll start the demonstration. Oh yeah, and I also put my camera on a stand, that way I won't have to hold it the whole time. Alright, now let's start. Here's the light. Alright, we'll start on low. So yeah, before I recorded the video, I tested the fan on all 3 speeds and it does not wobble at all on any of the speeds. Alright, here's medium. Alright, here's high. And I really like this fan a lot. It's so much better. It doesn't wobble at all. And yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna keep it on high from now on because it gets really hot in my room, and this fan is very helpful now. So yeah, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching.